1982, Dongguan SAISONIC was established in Dongguan, a famous manufacturing city in China. SAISON has continued to grow, and a new chapter is beginning. After overcoming numerous challenges for the past 30 years, it has grown into a production powerhouse. This is largely due to the ability of our professional research and development, production, and sales teams. Team-driven professionalism is our focus. At present, we enjoy annual sales of 160 million Hong Kong dollars. Our products are widely used in joint, automotive, medical equipment, solar equipment, industrial equipment, office equipment, gaming, network, household appliances, etc. The factory building area is about 30,000 square meters. We have more than 500 employees. The company attaches great importance to technology. Our research team is comprised of experienced engineers. We continually invest large amounts of money every year to update equipment and diversify our product line. Our company has already successfully developed thousands of products. As a member of SAISON, we all know only the best equipment can produce the best products. This is why we operate fully automatic equipment imported from Japan and Germany. Presently, we have 11 JAM full automatic crimping machines, 13 air-operated crimping machines, 39 other crimping machines, 17 vertical plastic injection machines, 13 fully automatic wire cutting units, and a laser stripping machine. We are ready to meet the needs of the dynamic marketplace. So, we adhere to the idea of quality first. The company has established a diligent quality checking team that carefully tests and inspects the incoming raw materials at every step of production. Our process is meticulous. The company has 35 continuity testers, 8 tension testers, a portable cross-section monitor, a constant temperature and humidity tester, a high-temperature tester, a flux tester, an X-ray machine, and a third spray test machine. The company has passed ISO 9001, IATF 16949, ISO 13485 International Quality Management System Certificate, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System Certification, OHSAS 18001 Health and Safety Management System, and UL/CSA PSE Product Certification, Customer SAISONIC Corporation Green Partner. Every company has a good relationship with world-renowned brands. For example, Sony, Epson, Panasonic, Johnson, Amazon, Pels, WKK, Lixil, Stamitech, Fujitsu, Daikin, as well as with world-famous brand suppliers such as ST, GE, Yazaki, Molex, Sumitomo, Haber-Suner, Leoni, LTK. Every member of SAISON keeps firmly in mind our core values: unity, win-win cooperation, a supreme effort. We never give up. This spirit urges us to continue to progress, innovate, and break through. The result is great value to our customers through our products. Through years of effort, SAISON has been awarded the Quality Excellence Award from Panasonic and Shintech in 2015 and 2017. 30 years of persistence has shaped SAISON. As we face the future, SAISON is successfully transforming from the traditional industries to emerging industries. For example, drones, automotive, medical equipment, solar equipment. At the same time, we are maintaining our strong market position in industries such as industrial equipment, office equipment, gaming, networking, and household appliance. SAISONIC is committed to a corporate strategy of 4 P's of modernization, while adhering to the strategic policies of management internationalization, products diversification, process automation, and procedural systematization. We are committed to the personal development of our staff. We have established Staff Association, Youth Association, SAISONIC Savajuku Private School. In the future, SAISONIC Electronics Limited will be even more aggressive to expand our rank among world famous enterprises.